course, Barun Sobti has a lot more in store if you will only look at his lovely face. Look, I was just going to ask, what's the most romantic thing you've ever done for a woman? In other words, slash your wife, because I don't see that you're telling me about any other woman. Have you had girlfriends?
My wife is. I met my wife when I was 9th standard.
Oh my god, this is so sweet. That's just...
Yeah, but
And all these temptations, what will you do when they come? They will, my friend.
I'll tell you one thing. Yeah,
Tell us.
the most romantic thing that I've done. But how you said, I'm more of a person who will do things instead of saying them. That this will, cement that. So we're not doing that. I'd met my wife in 9th standard. Most time the birthday gifts and small little things, gestures and stuff of that sort. So I'd give one of her birthdays had gone by, and I had gifted her something. And then the next birthday came. So पहले वाला birthday आया था, we were doing fine, financially, my family. But when the second birthday came, we were not doing that great. So I could ask for money. हाँ, एक minute हो जाता वो तो. So we're not doing that great financially. So one of my cousins used to work in a car company, Tata, and he used to hire drivers to dump cars from the showroom to the dump yard.
Okay.
And every round earned the driver $200.
Okay.
So we would, let's say we'll pick up 9 people are going to pick up Indica the car, and go drop him in the dump yard, come back in one safari. Okay. And it used to be really stinky with all the 9 men working really hard. And I was from a middle class family, so I was fine. So I dumped around 10 cars, Indicas. I made me some 2,000 rupees. I'm guessing somewhere around 10 to buy the gift, that gift for my wife that year. So
And you were in the 9th standard?
I was in 10th probably, I think, at that
Oh
time.
my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're very romantic, let me
Yeah,
tell you.
but I
Also,
can't-
you're not interested in studies at all.
This is the night.
Oh, acha.
Yeah, but that's true anyway.
But that is so good. That is a great story. Can you see? आप लोग ये जो बड़े-बड़े stars के मतलब बड़े-बड़े चोचले and all that, all these big things, you don't have to. You just have to sweat it out with the boys in a car when you're in the 10th standard and collect money to buy.
It's
That's
just
a
about
really
the
sweet
one you
story.
love,
It's
I mean,
nice.
yeah.
I'm not. It's a sweet story. What did you get her?
I got her a frame, I think. It said something about being together.
That's how you got her there. You got her in the 9th and 10th standard by the sweat of your body. Very well done.
Yeah.
What's the most expensive gift you've given your wife then recently? Now that things are like awesome.
I don't know. I mean, she's the one who manages the finance now. She gives me the gifts now. Yeah. I'm bad with finance, so that aspect is. A house in finance is taken care of by her.
Every successful man-woman adage is probably true. You want to quickly tell us about your days in Delhi? Matlab, when you started out, you came from Delhi to Bombay. This is 5 years ago.
Yeah.
So, what was it? Was it difficult? But actually, like I was telling Varun, तुम बहुत lucky हो as. You're of course hardworking and good-looking and talented, I'm sure. But apart from that, you are also luckier than many, ना जो यहाँ पे मुंबई आते हैं और कुछ नहीं होता उनके साथ. So you want to tell us quickly, and probably there are so many people who look up to you saying, okay, Varun did it, I can. Can
Of course, anyone can. Yeah. I mean, I was right there dreaming at one point in time. Let's only 6 years ago. I was in Delhi, and I was going through the anxious period, thinking ki, am I going to be able to make it or no? Because I left my job 5 years back and I came to Bombay. I had just one show in my hand, and that show didn't take off for forever. For some 4 or 5 months, I was in Bombay without any dough and stuff. So I came, I somehow passed through it. I think you just have to. You have a tough time. You can't be upset with time or God. Everyone gets their due. Just when you get it. So you have to wait for that time patiently and be thankful to God in the meanwhile for the remainder things that you have. But apart from that, Delhi, I used to work in a call center. I started working when I was 17.
Okay.
7 years I worked in the same call center. So that period was pretty much nights. So I used to work nights. And Delhi's been very beautiful. Yeah, it's been amazing. Somehow those crucial years of your life, that youth, which you remember for the rest of your life. I made a lot of memories. All my family, all of my friends, best of my friends are in Delhi. So I was in there, and that's where I started modeling a little bit. When I used to work in the office. I used to take part-time offs because I used to model part time. और Delhi में part time modeling का मतलब है 3 assignments in a month, right? So and what do you get paid? Some 5,000-6,000 rupees for an assignment. So that's what I started, and then one of my friends sent my pictures to a casting director for a show. They liked it, and I recorded an audition on my Digicam and sent it across. So I took that show and came to Bombay, but that didn't take off for a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you told me? Is there anything in your past, the assignments that you've done, job, देखे कहता oh भाई क्यों
My
किया?
God. So these guys used to shoot stocks.
हाँ.
Stock shoots is in the sense they will pay you for a day, and they'll click pictures of you.
अलग-अलग कपड़ों में,
अलग-अलग कपड़ों
poses
में,
में, हाँ.
and they will sell. Not this now companies like some companies gonna come to these people कि I wanna, this is a campaign I'm running, मेरे को इस तरह की फोटो चाहिए. They will sell it to them. Okay. So there's a stock that I did some 6 years ago.
Oh my God.
मैं इतना बड़ा गधा लग रहा हूँ, I can't tell you. And I was shot with a girl where I'm wearing a kurta pajama. It just came out a year ago in Hyderabad for Diwali banana. It was so embarrassing. I thought that those days were past, but it's very embarrassing.
तभी तुम्हें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं पता था कि भाई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिखवा लो 5 साल से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता या 3
But
साल.
the contract they make you write, na? That time you need the money.
Oh,
so the
gosh.
contract is that we can use it whenever we want to, and whichever company.
So that's a great lesson for all you people who want to become stars. You have to imagine it, and you have to also imagine that you will become it. Like Barun obviously didn't imagine it when he was doing stock
Yeah,
shots.
I didn't imagine the process. I believed in myself.
Okay.
But I didn't know the process was going to be, because you never know. Then the whole fun is gone if you guess the whole process. And I don't believe in planning, because plans, they don't work
So
out anyway.
Barun, are there any more of these stock shots that could come up at any point? You say. You naughty companies, you've got him. All right. Quickly, have you spoken to other guys who are TV actors, and who do you think is doing the best among them? Do you think it's you?
No, not really. But yeah, I have a lot of friends in the TV industry. Yeah.
I know lots of them have made their.
Majority of them are doing great.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's so much work. Yeah, that's what the point is.
Yeah.
Be it television or films, there's so much work. You have to figure out your forte and
just
act accordingly. Yeah.
But is it weird? Like another thing for people who want to learn of their Barun, the girls want something else of you, but maybe there are guys who want to understand. Is the like the casting couch a reality, or is
Of
it
course, it's a reality.
even with the boys?
Not so much with the boys. Yeah. But television, no.
Has it ever been cheesy with you ever?
Yeah. People have been like, oh, if you do this, we'll get you a role in a film, and if you do this, that people do that. And there's a lot of stories that I've heard of people that I know would never lie to me. This happened. Luckily, I'm not in touch with the people who give in. All of my friends are pretty strong, and but at the same time, casting couch, I've always said that these are the people who can't get you anywhere.
Is it?
Yeah. These, what I've noticed, and I think 99% of the people, make it on their own.
Okay, so the idea is to please don't.
Don't give in. क्या होता है कि these guys know that whoever's struggling is in a very sensitive position, okay, and they want to take advantage of it. So it's as simple as that. Girls, poor thing, they think, oh, my career, what are my parents gonna think if I don't make it? Boys think the same thing. All that pressure of the society, and people probably give in at that time. Otherwise, these are just useless people all the time.
So thankfully, you've never had to do it. I want you to tell us one, because I know the story, so I thought it was damn funny. I want you to tell us one weird experience you had with the media.
Okay, so likewise, there was this one interview that I did, and I said the same things. So one of the magazines misconstrued what I had said for that I have been through the casting couch, means gone through with the whole process of sleeping around with people.
So at an interview, somebody asked you about the casting couch.
They asked me if it exists. I said, yeah, of course. I've experienced it firsthand. People have offered me things if I do things with them.
So when you said first hand, they thought,
Yeah, they thought that he's gone through with it. So, and they made a story. No, this was the magazine, and then a news channel, took that story up and took shots of the magazine and then said the whole story in the loop again and again. And then, surprising, when I saw this clip, one of my friends showed it to me on the set, and there was pictures of me getting into the car of my buttocks, and that frame only.
But
yeah, he's been through the casting couch and stuff like that.
Please tell us, how would that be in Hindi?
Ocean.
Come on, how would they say it in Hindi?
कास्टिंग काउच को कहेंगे क्या लेकिन हिंदी?
नहीं पर
कास्टिंग काउच का पार्ट रहे हैं वरुण सोबती। किया ये खुलासा एक मैगजीन ने, and then there's shots of me, getting into a car. I'm getting into a car and the camera's over here. So yeah, that just happens.
So you get lots of like underwear ads post that.
Not really.
No, not yet.
That didn't happen. I was wearing a pant at that time.
Alright, let me quickly tell you that Varun Sobti has moved on. He has said that he's not going to do television anymore. Am I right about that? You wouldn't?
Yeah.
Oh, you're still open to television?
Yeah.
Really?
Of course.
Oh gosh, they misquote you. Oh, wait, breaking news. Varun Sobti might still be seen daily on your ad. They'd love
Daily,
it.
I don't want to be daily.
Acha, daily soap nahi karna. Alright, so Varun is not going to be seen in a daily. So anyway, you can't see his lovely face every day. Unless, of course, you've got this clip from Malishka Unleashed Frozen Forever. So cute. Alright, so what I'm going to do is थोड़ी देर के लिए वरुण को हम उस रोल में वापस ले जाते हैं. I love this thing about TV actors. I think it's very difficult to do, but he thinks TV acting is a piece of cake. Really?
No, I didn't say TV acting is different from acting. I said is
easier than it looks.
No, I said it's not as tough as it looks, and it's not a rocket science that people are so afraid of.
ये जो daily soaps होता है, it must be tough, यार.
They're tough physically to endure, because you have to work 28 days in a month. You have to work 12 hours every day almost if you're not a star, and so it's difficult. It is, but then the process becomes very easy because you do it every day.
पर आपको लाइनें बहुत जल्दी से याद आ जाती हैं.
Pretty much.
तो let's see कढ़ाई पनीर का रेसिपी क्या वरुण सोबती को याद है. We're going to do this recipe.
Paneer tikka.
Oh sorry, see I'm bad with script. So Varun Sobti is going to give you a recipe for paneer tikka as the very popular character from his show. Varun,
Okay.
as soon as you're ready. Oh wait, do they say this in television? Lights, camera, action. I love it. Do they say?
Roll camera, action.
Roll camera. Director बहुत footage खाता है. Action.
How to make paneer tikka. पनीर को बड़े चौकोर टुकड़ों में काट लीजिए. दही में नमक, काली मिर्च और आधा अदरक का पेस्ट मिलाइए. By the way, this happens a lot. Whenever we used to shoot, is that okay?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So whenever we used to shoot, कभी भी shoot करते हुए, when you're doing the serious and romantic scenes, they are so difficult to go through without laughing. Like I always laugh, and still, but Sanaya is one of my friends, and when we used to shoot together, the singer on the show, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So she just can't go through with scenes. We used to laugh through all the intense scenes that people have seen, all of the intense scenes.
So any intense scene जो आपको याद है, you have to know that before that Varun laughed and you guys आप लोगों ने अपना दिल
मैं तो फिर भी control कर लेता हूँ. That's what I'm saying.
अच्छा she couldn't.
Oh, I have when we're doing her close, I have to shut my eyes so that she can't see me smiling or laughing or anything that makes her laugh.
Oh, you still haven't given us the full recipe for paneer kadai, sir. We would still like to see a little bit of that.
Let's do the other way, then.
Okay,
Yeah.
you have a drunk and a romantic.
Okay. Drunk, okay.
ये सारी चीजें जो हैं, actually I'm giving Varun Sobti a great lesson because he will need it in future cinema. You will.
Ready? How to make paneer tikka? पनीर को बड़े चौकोर हिस्सों में काट लीजिए. दही में नमक, काली मिर्च और अदरक का पेस्ट निकाल लीजिए, डाल दीजिए और पनीर के टुकड़े को डाल दीजिए और आधे घंटे.
That makes sense. He's drunk. How do you expect him to remember paneer ke tukde ka recipe? And finally, this is what they're waiting for. This is the test of you, Varun Sobti, because as he's really reciting his lines. Now he has to be romantic and tell you how to make paneer kadai tikka. Imagine background में बज रहा है. Tang,
I'm imagining you imagine.
अच्छा.
पनीर को बड़े चौकोर हिस्सों में काट लीजिए। दही में नमक, काली मिर्च और अदरक का पेस्ट बनाइए। पनीर को उस पेस्ट में डालिए और आधे घंटे के लिए रख दीजिए। आई लव पनीर।
प्यार तो हो ही जाएगा, ladies and gentlemen, we don't mind hearing you clap at this point. You were right. आपको स्क्रिप्ट दिया तो आपने कर लिया. That was so great. I saw your face. I saw all those nazakats that the girls possibly love. वो face जो हो जाता है. Oh, that's lovely.
I don't know how that happened. Yeah.
You don't know what happens.
How that happens? I don't know how that happened. Seriously.
Your inner romantic comes out. So,
Probably, yeah.
but that was great. Thank you so much, Varun
Thank
Sobti.
you for having
It
me.
was so lovely having you here. We had such a great chat. You're such a chiller. I hope कि जब आप बहुत बड़े आदमी हो जाओ, आप हैं, but जब आप बहुत बड़े तो आप हमें भूलेंगे नहीं. Please remember the girls are still fainting for you on this interview on Malishkar News.
That's one thing I hope I never change.
All right, all the best. This is Varun Sobti, ladies and gentlemen, right here on Malishkar News.